So, guys, this is a brief preview of what all we work on and what all we do practice in terms of daily exercises and how the students give their work and I give them my feedback. So, every day there are some new assignments going on in the weekend webinar group, and as you can see, there is tons and tons of student work, be it photography or be it sketching or be it some 3D visualization or anything like that. There is a lot of work when it comes to you know students work daily practice, and I really like the way students are working here, and super happy about the progress and growth happening in the weekend webinar group. I'm just giving you a short preview of what all we are working on and how the thing goes. So, whatever we discuss on a topic in any of the weekends, based on that topic, we work on different sketches, different assignments throughout the next 1 week, and I ask students to be even more proactive and covering all the other aspects of that assignment or whatever the topic we have covered. We actually try to take it beyond that point. So it's not just weekend to weekend work, it's basically a continuous learning process where you are submitting your work, I am giving you the feedback, and you are basically looking at other students work also. So you are learning from other students as well as you are learning from my feedback. So this is the kind of work we are doing on a daily basis, and I hope you have gotten enough preview about the kind of work we are doing and how we are moving forward with our preparation. So for the first 1 month we have focused a lot on sketching, particularly because sketching is one of the key aspects that is tested in the first part of the exam. But it's not just sketching part, we are building a lot of creative ideation process, analytical ability, problem solving skills, visualization, and all other stuff. So feel free to ask me on the comments below, right, if you have any queries regarding the webinars, or what do you think about this idea. I really want you guys to join the group and learn in a very collaborative fashion. So yeah, I hope you like these assignments and would love to be a part of the group. So with this, I'll end the seminar, and a little more work. There is tons and tons of work. I am not getting the final end of it. It keeps loading, and yeah, I mean, it's really fun. I'm really enjoying this weekend webinar thing. I'm learning a lot from these students, and hopefully they are also are in full enthusiasm, and they are also learning things much faster than I expected. So yeah, I'm pretty happy about it, and I would love to see you in this group. So with this, I would like to close the video, and yeah, see you soon. Bye bye.